Okay, we'll do some ruffles. So I'm going to use this big ass needle and some thread. Where have I put the needle? Because I'm not going through the whole of the paper and everything. Oh, go away. I need you to go through the hole. It's not too much to ask. Just go in the hole. That's it. And the sellotape can go away. Right, so what we're going to do on this one, and it's all going to fall down, we're going to have this bit of paper, and I'm just going to rip it down this side a minute, and I will ink it as well. I haven't done one of these for ages. Right, ink. It's just rough inking, this is. So next week there won't be a live. No, that's already ripped there, so it'll have to end there. But there will be the week after. And so that will give you 2 weeks to get your junk journals finished. And then anybody that wants to swap or wants to put a link up to show what they've done, we'll put them all together. So we're basically going to sew a bit of paper. So you're putting the needle through all of the little flaps, look. So it looks like that. And just pull with all your might. Oh my God, come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. But I need that to come like that. Right, now I'm going to take the needle out. So I'm left with this and a bit of string. And we're just going to hold one end and hold one end and just pull it out. And so it's all ruffled up. And you can do it any way you want. And we will put it on one of the pages. Not that one though. This one. We'll put it in there. And we'll just put that edge there. And that edge there. And we might put a little bit in the middle. Just keeps the middle bit in.